SAT 7, Math No Calculator, question number 7. X squared plus 6x plus 4, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So, looking at this question, this is what's known as a quadratic expression. So this is anytime we have something squared plus x plus something. So what's cool about quadratic equations is that we can factor them. We can break them down into two things that will multiply out to this. However, looking at this expression, this isn't easily factorable for us. So we're going to have to use a method called completing the square. So how this works, first we're going to start by splitting these things up. So got x squared plus 6x plus something, we're going to get to what that something is, plus 4 plus, again, something. So what we want to do here is we want to get this x squared plus x 6s plus something to be something that when we factor it, we're going to have two terms that are the same. Because looking at our answer choices, we have two terms that are the same, right? We have x minus 3 squared, we have an x plus 3 squared. We have to figure out which one of those it's going to be. So to figure out what we need to put into this question mark, we're going to divide this 6 by 2. And you'll see why in a second. So 6 over 2 gives us 3. Now, if we square this 3, we're going to get 9. Now, here's why we have to go about that process. If we were to factor out x squared plus 6x plus 9, we're going to get x plus 3 times x plus 3, which is the same as x plus 3 quantity squared. Because we have two x plus 3's, we can just rewrite that as x plus 3 squared. So by taking this process of taking this coefficient, the 6, dividing it by 2, and then squaring it, that gives us the term that we need here. Now, we can't just add 9 to this expression because now it's not the same expression that we started out with up here. We've added 9. It's something totally different. What we can do is we can add 0. How are we going to add 0? Well, we just added 9. Well, if we wanted to get rid of that 9, we could add a negative 9 because 9 plus negative 9 is the same thing as adding 0. So basically, we've added nothing to this expression, but we've rewritten it now in a way that looks like our answer choices. So we've gotten down to our x plus 3 quantity squared. Let's just simplify what we have going on up there. We've got a 4 minus 9 gives us a negative 5. And that answer choice is going to be the same as choice B.